You are working hard on your videos, good editing, good content, but you are still getting few views. And I'm going to tell you the real reason why in the next 30 seconds. Most creators think it's their video quality, some think it's their niche. But the number one silent killer of the new YouTube channels is something almost nobody talks about. And once I show you what it is, you will never look the YouTube same way again. I've also found a tool that fixes this problem literally in minutes. And right now you can grab it for a one-time lifetime price. I'll give the link in the comment and description. But first, let me show you what actually stopping your channel from growing. Here is the truth. You could have the best video on YouTube, perfect editing, great thumbnail, powerful title, and still get few views because YouTube doesn't know who to show your videos to. And when YouTube doesn't know your audience, it doesn't push your content at all. The algorithm isn't against you, it's just confused. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that and how a tool called Taja AI does it for you automatically in under a few minutes. It has a lot of hidden gems to explore that can help your channel grow faster than ever. So whether you have 0 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers, if your videos aren't getting the views you deserve, stay with me because what I'm about to show you completely changed how I approach YouTube optimization, and it will change yours too. I'm Saif from DigiWhisper. Let's dive in. So let's start with the biggest one, the feature that directly tells YouTube who your video is for. So once you log into Taja AI, you will see this dashboard. You can activate light mode, you can activate dark mode. I prefer dark mode. Now let's see how to do YouTube SEO with Taja AI. Click in the dashboard section and here you will see two options. The first option is to upload your video or drag your video here, and the second option is copy and paste your YouTube video link here. Both way you can optimize your video. So first I'm uploading one of my video to show you how it works. I'm clicking here, selecting my video. It is processing. It will first analyze my video to understand the context, emotion, focus and everything. And then it will generate titles, descriptions, tags and transcript for me. The video has been uploaded here and it is processing to generate titles, descriptions and tags. It will take a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So it has been generated the transcript first and it also generated the titles, and here you will see score for each of the titles, the possibility score or how good this title is based on different categories. Let's say emotions, relevancy, SEO and a lot more things. So here are the titles and here is the descriptions and here is the text. Let's say you want to regenerate title as per your custom requirements. So you can click here and here you will see a few options. The first option is you can instruct here what you want in your title, and here is the language. You can see all of the languages are available here, and here is the tone. You can select your tone. The first one is like me, the second one is clickbaity, and the third one is professional, controversial and a lot more. You can select any of the tone and language and just click submit button and it will regenerate your titles. You can also regenerate your description as well. Click here and the same things is here. You can edit your description as well. Let's say you want to add something more. You want to add some links or some text here. You can do it here. Let's say you can add your link or text here and just click here save button and it will save your text or links. And the next one is text. You can also edit your text. If anything is irrelevant to you, you can edit that text as well. So here you will see each of the text and you can add your own text as well and save. After editing, just click the save button. You can just copy the tag or regenerate the text, and here is the transcript of your video, how you will apply it in your video. So just upload your video here and now copy and paste everything from the Taja AI. Copy the description and copy the text. Just paste your tag here and do other setup as well. So this is how you just optimize any video using Taja AI. Now let's say I want to optimize my old videos or any video which is unlisted to YouTube or any public video on YouTube. So I'm going to my YouTube channel. Let's say I want to re-optimize this video. So I need to copy the video link and paste it here and click the optimize button, and it will optimize your video, your title, your description, tags and transcript. So it is generating everything for you. Done. Here is the titles, here is the descriptions with chapter. You know, chapter is very important for YouTube long form video, and it is automatically generating chapters for you with relevant hashtags. And here is the tags and here is the transcript. So you can edit if you need to edit anything. Now go to your video and select your titles and paste it to YouTube, and copy the description and paste it to here on your video's description section. Paste the tags to your text section, and it's done. Now that you know how the SEO works, let me show you where you control everything, the dashboard and credits. Now let's introduce the dashboard of Taja and its credit system. Here you will see the credit system. My package is unlimited credits. For each of the full video optimization, it will consume 1 credit. For short generation, it will consume 0.5 credits. Any types of regeneration, it will cost 0.5 credits, and any particular section regeneration, it will cost 0.25 credits, and for blog, LinkedIn and X regeneration, it will cost 0.25 credits. And here is the sidebar. You can collapse it and you can also expand it. This is the dashboard. You will optimize your video from here, and this is the my video section where it will store all of your optimized video, and you can also optimize new video clicking the new video section. And the next one is content calendar. You can process your video using Taja AI, and you can schedule or publish your video from the Taja AI dashboard, and this is your content calendar. You will see all of your content from here. I will talk about this later. And this is the brand kit section where you will set up your brand kit. I will show you how to set up your brand kit. And this is the learning section where you will see the tutorials how to use Taja AI. And the next one is profile section, from where you can set up your profile. Before Taja can work its magic, there is one quick setup you need to do, and it's make everything after this 10x more powerful. Now let's set up the profile section. Click here on the profile section, and here you can change your password, you can update your email from here, and if you purchase lifetime deal from the AppSumo, you just paste the code and click the apply button, claim your license from here. And here you will see all of your social media accounts to connect. I have already connected my YouTube link. If you connect your YouTube channel with the Taja AI, you can directly optimize and publish your content from your Taja dashboard. And you can as well connect your TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X and Thread. How to connect your social media account? It's very simple. Just click here and it will pop up to log in your social media account, and you need to just log into your social media and it will be connected with your Taja account. That's simple. And here is the team member section. If you have higher plan, you can add your team members to the Taja account. In my case, I have 5 seats to add my team members. How to add your team members? Just copy the link and give it to your team members. Once they click that link, they need to first create account, and it will be collaborated with your main account. So here is the subscription detail of your account. And let's say how to set up your brand kit. So click here in the brand kit section, and first thing you can do is creating your account name. So here is my account name, DigiWhisper. You can hide it, you can make visible it as well. So here is the setup for short setting. So you know Taja AI can generate shorts from your long video. So you can set up your channel logo, you can set up your fonts, you can set up your animation style. From here you can set up your colors, and if you want to add any links, you can just click here and add your link here, and it will be added to your description automatically. And the next one is thumbnail setting. You can just select 1 face thumbnail, 2 face or 3 face. Let's say if you want to keep any of the face on your thumbnail, you can just set up it from here. Let's say I want to select 1 face, and here is the caption fonts. I want to select this as my font, and I can select this color, and here is the option. You can upload your headshot image, the image you want to keep on your thumbnails. So upload your any of the headshot image which is very clear and high quality, and it will be visible to your every thumbnail once you generate any thumbnail using Taja AI. So it is that simple. Great, your brand is locked in. Now let's talk about the first thing viewers actually see before clicking your video, the AI thumbnail maker. How to make YouTube thumbnails using Taja AI. Now let's see how to make YouTube thumbnail using Taja AI. It's very simple. So once you uploaded any of your videos and optimize it, you will see there is an option generate AI thumbnails. So from here you can select how many faces you want to keep on your thumbnail. So I want to keep 1 face. And remember one thing, you should set up your headshot image from your brand kit if you want to keep that image to your thumbnail. So as you know, I have already set up my headshot image to my brand kit. And now click generate AI thumbnails section. Click here and wait a couple of minutes. So it is generating my thumbnails. I need to wait, and it's done. So see, these are my thumbnails generated using Taja AI. This way you can generate high CTR, eye-catching thumbnail using Taja AI thumbnail generator. These thumbnails look really awesome. You can edit your thumbnail, you can change your face, and you can change background as well. So if you want to edit your thumbnail, you can click here and give the prompt and click the apply change button to make any change in your thumbnail. So your long form content is optimized. But what if the same video could also blow up on shorts with zero extra work? So now let's explore one of the amazing feature Taja AI. You can click here in the shorts section to generate a couple of shorts from your long form video. Just click here and it is generating shorts from your long form of content, and here you will see it already created a couple of shorts for me. Not only it generates shorts, it also created titles and descriptions as well. You can check your shorts. You can use these types of YouTube shorts to get easy boost on your YouTube. It also can generate a lot of subscribers for your channel. You can generate more shorts clicking here. If you want to publish it directly to your YouTube, just click here to publish it on your YouTube if your YouTube channel is already connected to your Taja account. You can also download your shorts from here. You can also edit your shorts clicking here. And it doesn't stop at shorts. Taja takes that one video even further, all the way to your social media and blog. Now, how to generate social media content from your video? It is very simple. Click here in the LinkedIn section. It already created a LinkedIn post for you. See how good, how perfect this LinkedIn post is. Just copy this and paste it to your LinkedIn account. And here it also generated social media post for your X account. So see, here is the social media content for your X account, and here is the content for your thread. Not only that, if you want to make a full blog post from your video, it has already created a blog post for you. Just click here in the blog section. So see, this is the blog post from your video. You can read it. If you need to regenerate it, you can just click here to regenerate your blog post. So now you have seen what Taja can do. Now let's talk about what it actually costs and which plan makes sense for you. Now let's talk about the regular price and plans. Here is the landing page of the Taja website, and click here in the price section. They have 3 packages. If you go with annual plan, it will cost your $16 per month for starter plan, and for professional it will cost your $40, and for team or agency plan it will cost your $80. And for the starter account you have 1 seat, for the professional you have 1 seat, and for agency or team account you have 5 users. And here is the limits and features. You can read it out. For starter plan you can optimize 48 videos per month. For professional plan you can optimize 120 videos per month, and for team or agency plan you can optimize unlimited videos per month, and everything is unlimited in your team or agency plan. You can compare all of the packages with features in here. But here is what it gets really interesting, because right now there is an option that change the math completely. They are running a lifetime campaign for a limited time on AppSumo, and this is the lifetime deal page from the AppSumo. If you want to get Taja with one-time price, you can grab it from the AppSumo. It has 4 tiers. The first tier you need to spend $59. The second tier you need to spend $118. For the next tier you need to spend $177, and the next one 4 codes you need to spend $236. And what you will get here, you can check. For tier 1 you will get 1 user account. For tier 2 you will get 1 user account. For tier 3 you will get 3 seats. For 4 codes you will get 5 team members. For tier 1 you can optimize and process 4 videos. For tier 2 you can optimize and process 8 videos per month. For 3 code you can optimize and process up to 12 videos per month. For the highest tier you can optimize and process up to 100 videos per month. So you can check all of them. If you want to buy it, I'll share the link in my description and comment. Just go and check it out. So this is their lifetime deal campaign for a limited time. If you really want to grab it, just purchase it immediately from the AppSumo. So that's everything. And honestly, if you have been struggling to grow, this might be the last tool you have ever need to buy. If you are serious about growing your channel and you are tired of uploading videos that nobody sees, Taja AI is the shortcut you have been looking for. And right now you can get it for a one-time lifetime price. No monthly fees, no subscription. Just pay once and use it forever. The link is waiting for you right in the comment section and the description below. Go check it out. Grab the deal before it's gone and start getting views your videos actually deserve. I'll see you in the next one.